Hello and welcome back. Hey, hi, long time no see. I know I haven't filmed in like years, but oh my god, my eyes are watering. I am crying. I'm back now. I'm currently working on another video that's gonna take 21 days, which you will see soon on my channel. But for now, here's another get ready with me. I know I've had like 3 consecutive like get ready with me's. I'm literally crying. My eyes are burning. But you know, that's what I film best, get ready with me's. But then again, my makeup looks the same in all of them, so it's probably gonna look the same in this one too. Let's just get started. Let's just get started right now. If you know where that's from, I'll just put it in, then you'll know. Oh my god, I am crying. That is no good. No good. Focus on me. Focus on me. Focus. Whoa. What just happened was me when I take off my glasses versus when I put them on. You just got like a visual of me blind. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. Nothing new here. Gotta put eyebrows on. I have to. Like, I just look kind of like bald. Like, I straight up look like a little egg without eyebrows. Because I tend to make them darker and like fuller. I've had some technical difficult. Oh my god, I am pale. I literally had to take my contacts out. I started crying really hard. So now I'm gonna put new ones in. Why am I still crying? Bam, my eyebrows are done. That was probably a really awkward transition because I didn't really do anything. Or actually, no, never mind. I'll add something cool to help transition or something. I don't know. I really don't. But now I'm gonna work on my eyes because that's normally what I do. Eyebrows, eyes, face. If you watch my videos, you would know. Focus on me. Focus on me. I keep playing NCT's Highway to Heaven on repeat, like really loudly, and I'm pretty sure everyone's annoyed, but I'm trying to memorize the English lyrics, and it takes me a long time to just memorize lyrics in general. This eye right here, it's bothering me, like the contact is. So I'm just gonna hit it with this brush and hopefully the pain goes away. Now I'm going to use my most used palette at the moment, which is the luminess, the Kingdom Sculpting palette. This has been my most used product at the moment. I literally love it. I've never filmed before when like people are home or like when they're listening to me talk. They know I have a YouTube channel, but I feel like they don't know about like me filming and stuff. So I feel like when they hear me talk, they're gonna be like, who are you talking to? And I'm gonna be like, because even though I'm talking to you guys, I'm technically talking to myself because I'm talking to the camera. So yeah, everyone can just hear me right now. Normally I'm used to filming like chit-chatty videos when my brother's home, but he's normally like doing his thing. I don't know if I want to do anything too crazy because I mean, it's not my wedding. I'm going to a wedding, by the way. That's why I'm getting ready. I don't know if I should, you know, try my best. I don't know how formal it's gonna be. That's the thing. I don't want to be that person that's just like full face, and when I walk in, everyone else isn't in a full face. It's like just me and the bride, hopefully. I could wear lashes, I could not. I could go a little bit more natural. That's right, I know Spanish. Also, I'm sorry if I'm talking quiet, like more quiet than normal. Now that people can hear me, I'm more like high stressed about it. I feel like when I film get ready with me is when they're not tutorials. I feel like I don't put as much effort into my makeup because it's not really like me filming like a look for you. It's just me getting ready and like filming that for you guys. But I decided to just talk in this video just because I feel like I don't really ever, I mean, I talk, but they're normally like, I literally tell you what I'm doing. I feel like I'm so repetitive in all my videos. Let me not talk about that. Well, let me finish what I was talking about and then we'll talk about something else. I'm trying to show you how my personality is actually. I'm normally very loud, even though I'm not loud right now. And I tend to talk a lot. Like, I can talk your ear off if I wanted to. I tend to talk really fast as well. And sometimes I feel like people can't understand what I'm saying because sometimes even I don't understand what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Someone's not gonna answer her phone. Yes. Also, another thing about this palette is the mirror is so good. When she walked in, I thought she was gonna be like, who are you talking to? How do you say I'm done in Japanese? I am far behind. I'm all about like a brown matte smoky eye. I love it so much. I watch some YouTubers that like when they film like makeup tutorials or get ready with me, their makeup looks are all the same, but like I don't ever complain about that because like I feel like if that's what you like to like wear, then like that's what you're gonna show people. Oh, update on my piercing. It's not infected anymore. Okay, I'm wearing smaller eyelashes today. Normally, I don't ever wear these because like ardell lashes look kind of weird on me, but I'm wearing the ardell demi wispies and I kind of fixed them a little bit. I guess ever since I started wearing like bougie lashes, like lily lashes, every other lash for me is kind of like my favorites, the Vegas Nay Bronze Beauty lashes. Like I still love those and all, but I just don't ever reach for them anymore. Like you guys know, I love Mykonos by Lily Lashes, so that's the one I wear the most. So I kind of did betray my lashes, so I guess in a way you could say I'm a cheater. I'm a hypocrite. I'm just like, I hate cheaters. lashes, and I literally cheated on my favorite lashes. It's not the same thing, right? No, it's not. Look at my shoes. My shoes are my dad's sandals. Okay, let me start on my face because I've been literally just playing around this whole time. I'm sorry if I'm a little overexposed or really overexposed. That's just life. Sometimes you're gonna look like a Pillsbury Doughboy. It's funny because I feel like my tan literally went away. Or like when I came back from Mexico, everyone's like,
I thought you'd be more tan.
and I was like, excuse you? I thought I was pretty tan. Like I said, I was on my dark summer shades, so. Oh my god, I forgot I still have to do my hair. This hair is blonde. It's either mine or my mother's. I'm gonna say it's mine. He's literally gonna have me copyrighted. Khalid, please don't copyright me. It's not me playing that song, I promise you. It's my brother. So technically, I'm not using it. Bam, 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 bam. Oh my gosh, why do I drop everything? Okay. I'm going to blend my concealer because, oh god, I'm about to mess up my wing actually. It doesn't even look that good either way. It's fine. And like, look, I'm not using the matte Patrick Star powder. I'm using good old Laura Mercier. Mercier. There we go. There we go. Set those under eyes, girl. Oh my god, I forgot how good this powder was. What is this? Does he have Spotify ads? That's why it's nice to have premium, baby. Look, I have this breakout right here. And then right here. And my chin is breaking out. And right here. And that's what I call stress breakouts. Oh no, bronzer helmet. Make my nose as skinny as possible and then I'm gonna bake it. All right, time to bake it like a cake. Heat the oven to 345 degrees. Is that what you use? I don't know. You know what? Oh my god, it's in my eye. I literally look like crackhead Sue. Giving you crackhead realness. I gotta go get my hair touched up, by the way. If I hide most of the brown, I kind of look weird as just like a full blonde. Do I? Do I not? I don't know. We'll see. Now the other woman is playing music. Everyone just wants me to be copyrighted today. Oh my god, my camera is dying! And there's a man talking behind me. Or not behind me, but you get what I'm trying to say. I don't know if you heard that, but they said Smokehouse barbecue sandwich, and that is literally my pride and joy at the moment. I love that thing. So I went overboard with the blush, if you couldn't tell. I know what you could possibly be thinking. Denowdy, why'd you do your under eyes and not show us? Honestly, you can't always get what you want in life. This is Ofra's Rodeo Drive. It's absolutely beautiful. It really does remind me a lot of the Emrezi. So if you couldn't, Emrezi, you get what I'm trying to say. So if you couldn't get your hands on that one, get your hands on this one. I'm hashtag not spons. So this one is really good. What if I do a giveaway of like this highlighter? Not this one, but like what if I just buy the highlighter and give it away? That'd be fun. What if I do like my favorite like highlighters? Then I could always give it away. Why are you not focused? I'm trying to explain to you here. I'm just gonna pile it on and look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But I recently started overlining my videos because like normally I do the whole, this isn't the final look by the way. And I'm trying to learn how to overline my lips. My lips look crooked, hold up. One side looks bigger than the other now. Now let me go find a nude lipstick. Okay, I look kind of weird, so I'm gonna take the headband. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tame this lion's mane that I call hair. And I will be right back, hopefully. I always curl my hair like this. Oh, excuse you. Oh my god. I always wear my hair curled like this and then an off-the-shoulder dress. This is my go-to party look. Then this is the final look. No end beauty B-roll shots because I'm a little lazy to do that today. But this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully this was a little bit more entertaining than my usual get ready with me's with music. I kind of like the music ones though. They're really easy to edit. This one I'm gonna have to watch the entire video now. It's fine. It's fine. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.